Hello traders, good day to you. We have done this analysis of GBPNHD, Great Britain Pound and New Zealand Dollar on 25th October here. This was the day we have done. Nothing existed. These things all have been formed. All these things were non-existent at that time. So what happened now? We have told that there are two sensitive zone here, one is this and one is this, so the price can go up and come back in this zone, and it did. Here you can see, or price may go up and come back to this zone. So the lower zone didn't has not been activated, but this upper zone, this one has been activated. Very clearly we can see that it has been activated. Now once it is activated, it is forming a triple bottom. Be careful about triple bottom. If anything more than double bottom, and if you find it there in triple bottom, that means that this support is getting weak. Be careful. And after that we have mentioned that it's supposed to retest. It did the retest here, and it went up, the green and the red and the green, it broke out and broke this level. This is coming from day, actually. This mark is from day. So it broke out, and again it did the test here again. The green, red, and now at this current moment in 1st November, we can see this today's Wednesday. This has been formed in the last 4 hours. Still, we have some time left after opening the market. After 1 hour 7 minutes, this will be 4-hour full form candle. So we can see that we have put another structural break here. So it broke, and it tried to break the what you can see this barrier also. So considering the current market situation, let us get rid of all these things. These are not anymore effective. This is out, and it did came here and tested, so this is out. So now what is the what we can do from here? What is the probabilistic trade from here? As the current green candle, this candle, if you can see that it has a long shadow on the top and a long shadow on the bottom, and I beg your pardon, but with a very high range of this candle. You can see, if we measure, what is the range of this candle now. It is 182 pips, and such a big candle with long shadows both on the top and bottom creates its own zone. It has created its own zone. So now if we take any trade if we want to take, we can disregard the previous lines we have drawn here. This one, this one, this one. It itself has created a zone. So let's take these things out first, so we can understand. This one's supposed to be a little bit lower, like this. Okay, let's take this out. So now we have a very big range now. So if market wants to go up or down, it has to come forward with the price action of breaking these two barriers, either going up from here. Let's put it like this. If we say it will go up from here, and or it has to, let us take it out, let's leave it like this alone, because this zone will not be any resistance anymore in my opinion, because it has been tried 3 times already. So the CSB, I mean current support break, will be very easy. Rather we can concentrate on this one, maybe there will be something, it will get activated, and if it is broken, then the price will come here undoubtedly. Without any issue, the price will come here. The price will come here in this line, because this is the half of the 4 hours time frame, and this is the half of the day, almost the same area. So let's put it something like this here also, so we can understand that where we can be resisted by the market, and we are prepared for that, so we don't become the slave of the market. Rather we can dictate the market. It is a little bit high, let's put it correctly. Okay, now on the upside, let's do the upside first. We know that if we go today, you can see that we have a cup and handle here. This is cup and this is handle. Let me draw it in a more proper way, so things could be I beg your pardon. We can see that this is the thing formed. So if we just do it like this is our cup and this is our handle, exactly, to be exact. Let's put it in black, I think that will do better. Then what happened, where is it? Sorry, I beg your pardon. Let's select it, make it black, so we can visualize. You see the cup and handle. So based on this cup and handle, the market can go up to this, and we have a monthly zone here. Be careful, there is a monthly double top already formed here. On previous from previous, if we go to month, we can see this. You see these two things are formed at a double top in the market already, and which pushed this price to here. Then the price has been pushed back on the upside again, and now we have a new candle from this month, 1st November. So this is the month we are talking about, but this is October, this is September, and this is August. So there is a monthly zone there. Come back to 4 hours chart, 4 hour time frame. We can see now that if it breaks now, it tried to break this zone. Can you see? If we draw this a little bit bigger, something like that, it tried to break. It tried to break, but it failed. It is coming back. Still, we have time. 1 hour, 1 minute. We don't know. Maybe it will break or there. We don't know. On the contrary, if you can see this, this is a very big red 187 pips or 83 pips, whatever it is. So the price has to break. If the price wants to go high, it has to go high from here. And if it goes high, where should our take profit should be? Our take profit should be somewhere here. Let me draw it for you, please. This. So our take profit should be something like this. Here, this is 50% compound. Okay, so it will let this go up to here. Let's make it green. And if the price doesn't go upward, what will happen now? Things will happen that if it doesn't go upward, then we have these zones. 1, 2, 3, 4 zones need to be, including this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 places where price can, let me get rid of this so I can draw it properly. So the price can come back here, retest and go upward. So we are not thinking of showing that right the moment. We would like to show the downside. So the price will come from here, retest, here, retest. Then if this zone is activated, it will do the same. Coming here, retest, then come here, retest, and it will reach here. These are the barrier it has to cross, because all these are, you can see if we go to higher time frame, all these are unmitigated fair gap value. This fair gap values has not been mitigated. This fair gap value has not been mitigated. So if price comes down, then it will mitigate this zone, the fair gap values has to be mitigated. This is number one. Number two, we have to look that there is a fundamental thing which is very important on tomorrow. You see, the Bank of England interest rate decision, 5.25, 5.25 was previous, forecasted is the same. Actual, we don't know. If it increases 5.50 or 5.75, whatever it is, then we have this scenario. Take it for granted. But if it remains same, what will happen? I think if it is remains same, there will be a negative impact. Maybe not this extent, but there will be some negative consequence. If I can estimate, as there is 4 hour and daily middle point is here, so the price will break out and at least come here before price goes up or down more, but it has to face something here. It will come here. So dear traders, look for this two price, 2.0976 and 2.0790. It is exactly, to be precisely, if we can say, is almost 200 pips. If we give and take 200 pips. So if you take any trade in between this, that will be a little bit gamble. Because this candle, I don't think will give any decision, in my opinion. Even I'm telling it RD, 56 minutes is still to go for finishing the time of this candle. But so far I can see that it is a indecision candle, and the body is getting squeezed slowly to little. So the buyer were strong pushing it here, then the seller pushed it down. The seller very strong. When it opened, it pushed it down here. Then the buyer got activated and they pushed it up to here, but they failed to keep the price there, and the things has came down. So it will become an indecision candle. So we have to wait for this section to break out, this one or this one. And tomorrow, in my today and tomorrow, I think the price will remain within this range until this rate is decided. But if it is remain same, I think there will be a negative impact, undoubtedly. I don't think that will bring any positive impact for Gbpnzd. And because you know that the highest rate offered by any central bank in the world currently, if we check now, let's go and we can see it is the New Zealand. New Zealand and USD are offering the same interest rate at the moment. And Great Britain pound is 0.25 point less than the New Zealand dollar. So So considering this interest thing, if we measure the chart, uh, then of course it will have a negative impact. Traders, please respond. Please put some comments. Please share your thoughts with me so I can learn from you guys, and at the same time I can correct myself to understand what if I am going in the right path or not. And here, let's make profit, all of us, because if we make all of us make profit, nowadays cake the pie is so big, it will not be that someone will lose and I will win, or you will win, I will lose, something like that. So as this has fallen, this is very important. So there is my way of thinking that the interest rate will remain same, it will have a negative impact. But due to this pattern, I have a very good sense that it may go up, because New Zealand dollar, if we go to month, it has been shattered like anything for a long time. You can see it is going for a long time, and this monthly candle is finished now. We got the October, this candle, this one. So still we didn't activate this zone yet, but it has been tried 3 times already. This zone has been tried 3 times, so maybe from monthly perspective, it will take another 3-4 months. Maybe it will break out of this zone sooner or later. Sooner or later, but for the time being, in 4 hours, if the interest rate remains same, there will be negative impact, and if the interest rate goes high, of course, undoubtedly it will go high. And moreover, the monthly frame shows that the monthly double top it will break, because GBP is Great Britain is controlling its inflation. It is coming down, and currently they are facing severe issues due to their interest rate. The cost of fund is very high, so the cost of doing business is getting high. All these things are happening. So if interest rates remain same, or if the interest is reduced, I doubt they will reduce. They will keep this for the at least for the until 2023, end of 2023. It will come down. But if not, maybe there can be impact. I'm telling you that it may go up at the same time. It may go up. So these are the two prices we have to keep in mind. 20976. Let's put 20976 and 20790. These are the two prices we should consider. Let me know your comments. I'll be blessed with your comments. Thank you very much for bearing with me. And please let me know if you have anything to share. Thank you.